Everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give you unbiased review on the website that is keysnv.com. So if you are curious to know about, as people from United States are looking forward to check out the details of this website, so let's begin with our video. It is an online site that trades ample coolers intending to satisfy the customers by providing them with coolers of desirable quality. They offer low prices of products which may accumulate a huge customer to earn a profit. Moreover, they have a wide range of payment modes. Let's check out the details of this store. It was created on 16th August 2021, just for 1 year, like it will expire on 16 August 2022. They claim that they sell hard and soft cooler of Yeti. It is HTTPS secure website. Refund may take up to 7 days from date of returning products. They have not mentioned their exchange policy. The email address which they are mentioning is not matching the domain name, and no contact details have been shared on the portal. The positive point of using the said portal are a variety of payment modes are available on the site. They claims they sell Yeti products that are reliable against any query. An email address is mentioned over the portal. On the home page, social media icons are mentioned. The drawbacks associated with this portal are: for the site, the trust rank is 2.6 out of 100 and trust score is 1%. No reviews could be found on Trustpilot and the internet. Detailed exchange information is absent on the site. According for the reviews, the links present on the sites are redirecting itself to home page that imparts a suspicious activity. So the question is KeysNV a scam? As we have discussed, the website was created only 15 days back, which exhibit that this site is not reliable at present. The website exhibit a low trust rank and score that create doubtfulness. The site content shows 88% plagiarism. The owner's name is not mentioned on the portal. No address have been discovered for the site that may alert online buyers. So as we all know that buyers reviews are very helpful in checking out the legitimacy of any portal, but for this portal there was no review could be found on the site nor on any other online portal, and all the information that has been revealed on the site is not trustworthy for now and thus requires thorough research after purchasing a bit from it. Moreover, for today at the very time, we are not recommending you at all to buy anything from this store. We are recommending you to wait for some time, to wait for some genuine reviews to come, and then you can use this portal. And if you have a personal experience, please share your views and experience regarding this portal with us. We love to hear from you.